Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the fatal error failed to initialize the Steamworks SDK in CS2. Follow these steps carefully and your game should work again. Let's get started. First, open Steam. Go to your library, find Counter-Strike 2. Right-click the game and select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to scan and repair the game. Once done, launch the game and check if the error is fixed. If the issue persists, in the same window, click on Browse. Now follow this path. Open the bin folder. Open Win64. Look for CS2.exe. If you don't see the file extension, click on View, click Show Enable File Name Extensions. Now right-click CS2.exe and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check. Run this program as administrator, disable full-screen optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Open the Start menu and type Run. Open it. Now type %temp%. Press OK. Select all files in this folder. Delete them. Some files may not delete. That's normal. These are just temporary cache files and won't affect your system. Now launch CS2 again. The error should be fixed. That's it.